Hey everyone, we are a team Dream Igniters. From today onwards, we will start photo editing tutorials. Before that, thanks for every subscriber. If you have not yet subscribed, please do like, share and subscribe. Okay, let's see the top 5 editing apps. Number 5, Adobe Photoshop Lightroom. Number 4, Adobe Photoshop Express. Number 3, Prisma Photo Editor. Number 2, VSCO. And number 1, Snapseed. Now let's go on briefly. Adobe Lightroom. We can see the rating is 4.3 and it's best for serious photographers. Our Lightroom CC offers raw photo editing support and a slew of advanced features. And we can adjust everything from haze and grain level to the tones of shadows and highlights. And get the same effect across multiple photos by copying and pasting editing settings. Adobe Photoshop Express. We can see the rating is 4.5. I absolutely love this app. It's not a professional editing app, but to make quick changes along the go, it doesn't take much time to do, barely 2 to 3 minutes. But what I especially love about this, there is no premium membership. You can just log in and you get all the editing tools. I would definitely recommend it. And overall the app looks very good. The main thing is that many good options are available for no cost. App is free. Prisma. We can see the rating is 4.5 and it is best for professionals with features like raw photo support and grain reduction for lower light photos. And you will find more than 300 art styles in Prisma Art Filter Library. Prisma has the largest collection of different artistic styles to choose from. So find your favorite one. And Prisma releases a new art filter every single day. Just open the app and you will be sure to find a new one. VSCO. We can see the rating is 4.2. I know the rating is somewhat less, but when we grab the tools, it will be more awesome. Take your photography to the next level with 10 free VSCO presets. We can easily import and edit your raw photos, and we can use tools like contrast and saturation to make our photos pop or grain. And also we can do mimic analog film effects. I love VSCO because you can do so many different things with it. Whatever kind of photography editorial comes to mind, no matter what the color palette or style, you can do it with VSCO. It's my go-to editing app. Makes all my photos looks really pretty. Plus, if you don't know what you should do, there are other people codes that you can take inspiration from. The thing is, you have to pay for some of the extra good stuff, but I think it's worth. Snapseed. We can see the rating is 4.5. Snapseed is a perfect and handy app for mobile editing, and most important is it's available for free. It has covered all the editing tools which are not even available in others, and the new update accepts raw images too. That's incredible. Just tap and go. Filters meet professional level, and it's best for beginners, and it's very friendly app. It is user friendly and reliable to use, and we can change specific areas of our photo by selecting control points or even painting over the areas you want to edit. It gives pics to a new look with filters like vintage, noir and grunge. Apart from these, I would like to prefer PicsArt. Here we can easily turn our photos into fun collages and works of art. We can mix different photos as layers for double exposure effect. And here we can make videos also. So if you consider VSCO, there we can make pics into videos, and here we can make pics into videos. So both VSCO and PicsArt, both we can use it to make videos also. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Thank you.